Hello students, good morning. See, in previous video we have seen the concept of positive work, negative work and zero work. See, in this video we are going to learn the another 50% part of this topic is nothing but energy. See, what is energy and what is work? See, work and energy, these are interrelated with each other. Okay, work is nothing but when we do some work we require energy, and energy is nothing but capacity to do work. What is energy? See, energy is nothing but it is a capacity to do work. So therefore I will write here the definition of energy is capacity to do work. This is known as energy. See, what is the definition of energy? It is a very simple definition. That one is nothing but the energy is nothing but the capacity to do work. See, what is word here? The work. Therefore energy is related with the work. If the work is here, I can say here that the units of energy and work are same. So the units of work is also units of energy. What are the units of work? There are mainly two units of work. First one is the SI unit of work. The SI unit of work, all of you know that one is nothing but the joule or 1 joule. Just I will write here joule. This is the SI unit for work, and this is also SI unit for energy also. Okay, this is also SI unit for energy. See, then now what is the CGS unit for energy? The CGS unit for energy is erg, and all of you know that what is relation between these two terms. The CGS unit of energy is CGS unit of energy is what I say erg. All of you know that the value of joule and value of erg. 1 joule is equal to 10 raised to 7 dyne centimeter. That one is nothing but the 10 raised to 7 dyne centimeter is nothing but the erg. These are the units for energy. See, in previous standards you have seen the various forms of energy. Okay, energy means what? Capacity to do work. If I want to move this chalk one place to another place, I require some kind of energy. Okay, if you want to go house to school, you want to require energy. If you want to do homework, you require energy. Therefore energy is nothing but the capacity to do work. In the previous standards you have seen the various forms of energy. Which are the various forms of energy? The kinetic energy, mechanical energy, electrical energy, heat energy, solar energy, sound energy, light energy. These all are known as various forms of energy. Okay, all of you know that, all of you studied in this topic in previous standard. That one is nothing but the various forms of energy. So I will write here the various forms of energies. The various forms of energy. What are the various forms of energy? The first one is the sound energy, another one is the solar energy, next one is the atomic energy, another one is the chemical energy, also mechanical energy, also electrical energy, heat energy and light energy. These are known as various forms of energies. Okay, After that we are going to discuss about the types of energy. See, nowadays the energy is basic needs of human being like food, clothes and shelter. What I say here, the very important sentence, that one is nothing but the nowadays the energy is become basic need of human being like food, cloth and shelter. Food, cloth and shelter. Why I write here this sentence? The energy is basic need. See, because from morning to night, we all are required energy in the various form. See, when we are going to bathing, there is a electrical energy. We all are use geyser. Okay. After that, when you are want to go school, you used iron to press your clothes. Here is the also energy. After that, you are all used the mobile. Okay. Here is the also use of energy. Means like food, cloth and shelter, the energy is basic need of human being. After that, we are going to see the types of energy. See, there are mainly two types of energy. Which types of energy? See, the main two types energy. Here is the various forms of energy. Okay. Here is the units of energy. Here is the definition of energy. Okay. Now we are going to discuss about the various or the types of energy. See, there are mainly two types of energy. Two types of energy. First one is the potential energy. First one is the kinetic energy and second one is the potential energy. These are main two types you have to learn in this topic. There are mainly two types of energy. First one is the kinetic energy and second one is the potential energy. See, what is kinetic energy and what is potential energy, we are going to discuss now. See, there are mainly two types of energy. That one is nothing but the first one is the kinetic energy and another one is the potential energy. In this lecture, we are only discussed about the kinetic energy. What is mean by kinetic energy? See, here are some examples on board. First one is the and the one question is here also, what will happen in the following case? Okay, here are the some three examples. First one is the a fast cricket ball strike the stumps. A fast cricket ball strike the stump. Second one is the striker hits a coin on a carom board. Okay, and third one is the one marble strikes another marble. Okay, in game. Here are some examples. What we conclude seeing that example? First one is the a fast cricket ball strike the stump. A fast cricket ball strike the stump means one object is in motion and another object is a steady. Okay. Second one is the striker hits a coin on carom board means the coins on carom board are steady and striker is in a motion. Okay, means here also one object is in motion and another one is the steady or another one is a stationary in motion. Okay, third one is the in marble game one marble strikes another marble. Okay, in circle there are some lots of 9 to 10 marbles, and when you play the game you hits that circle's marble by one marble, means one marble is in motion while other marbles which are in collected that are in a steady motion. Means here we conclude that because of some one object is in motion and another object is a steady. See, one object is in motion and another object is a steady. Another object is steady or in stationary position. Stationary position. And because of this object which is in a motion, this motion object strike a stationary object. Okay, means because of this object, the first object, this one is the first object, this one is the second object, because of the first object, second object is in motion, means here is known as the motion of the motion of first object is gives to second object gives kinetic energy. Therefore I will write here the definition of kinetic energy. The energy which has the energy which an object due to its motion is known as kinetic energy. Means in a simple language, the kinetic energy is nothing but the object motion. Object is in a motion and the potential energy is nothing but the some energy stored in a substance is a steady or it is a stationary. If the object is a stationary, this is known as that position is known as potential energy, and if the object is in motion, that energy is known as what? Kinetic energy. Means kinetic energy is nothing but it is a one kind of work done by the object. Therefore I can write here kinetic energy is equal to work done by an object. If I will write here, I write here kinetic energy is equal to work done. Therefore I can write here kinetic energy is equal to W. Okay, means kinetic energy is nothing but is equal to W, and all of you know that what is the W? W is nothing but W is equal to F into S, means work is equal to force into displacement, and kinetic energy is nothing but the work done by that object. Because of this moving object, this stationary object strike this moving object, strike the stationary object, and it start in a motion. Okay, therefore kinetic energy is equal to W, and W is nothing but the F into S. Therefore kinetic energy is equal to F into S. Okay, this is about the kinetic energy.